Hi guys, it's Kelly Fusco from Kelly Fusco Designs, also known as the Sunshine Crafter. In this short video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing here from CutCardStock. It is a company that provides it's a family company that provides amazing cardstocks, and they have a wide variety, quick shipping, and as you can see here, awesome packaging. I highly recommend them, and I'm not only saying this because this is something that I believe in. I'm not being paid to say this. I'm only doing this because it's something I believe in. Okay, so moving on, my first item here that I had ordered, well, let me just explain that CutCardStock always adds these little paper pads into their orders, which is nice because I write notes on them and things I want to get in the future. And then they also sent me a little thank you because they are a family-owned business, and they sent some cards in there, and it was just very nice to get a little handwritten note thanking me, you know, for supporting them. So I thought that was nice. And they have some cards here saying spread positivity and, you know, ways that you can find them on the internet and some positive affirmations. Who can't use any of that these days, right? So I thought that was a nice touch. Alright, so my first item here is Dolphin cardstock, a Dolphin Gray, excuse me, and it's 80 pounds, and it was on sale, so I got 2 of these, and these are by Martha Stewart, and they are fantastic quality. Sometimes 80-pound cardstock is like more like 65-pound. This is a true 80-pound. And I love light gray. I use it a lot. And so I got 2 of those, 2 packages, and they were a great deal. So always check out their sales. They have great sales, CutCardStock. The second item is Classic Crest Epic Black, 130 pound. I love this black cardstock. It's smooth as anything. And it is a nice heavy weight, so it's 130 pounds, so it's great for card bases, or if you just want to die cut it and stack it together. It's a really, really nice cardstock. I really can't say enough about it. Highly recommend this black cardstock. Disregard my reflection in the packaging there. I wasn't expecting that to be captured on this unboxing. So just disregard my horrible angle there. Okay, so yeah, that's the Epic Black. The next item is it's from Basis, and it's another 80-pound cardstock, and it's an aqua. Look at that color. I mean, is that like beautiful or what? Totally loving that color. Love aqua. It's one of my favorite colors. And this too is also a true 80-pound. I'm going to open it here in a minute so you can see it there, and it's very smooth, and it's a nice cardstock. This can be used for a card base, but you would need to probably put an insert on each side to get it, you know, like inside the cardstock, the card itself, to make it a little more sturdy. But it's certainly, or on its own, it's fine. I plan on using these for panels underneath, like matting, and I think that looks nice, and for die cutting. And this next one is also, it's Basis Coral, and this is 80-pound as well, from the same company. And those 2 colors look great together. I just have to side note there. Okay, and yeah, that's also very smooth, and it's a very good quality cardstock. The next item is one I have not tried yet, and I'm pretty excited about to try. This is the 100% cotton, 118-pound Savoy cardstock. Now this cardstock is cotton, so it's really good for watercoloring and wet techniques. It's a little more toothy. It's a bright white, which is nice. It's has a little more tooth than regular smooth cardstock. Again, since it's cotton, it's really meant for, you know, letterpress, or it's good for embossing, meaning dry embossing, and watercoloring. So I'm really excited to give this a go. Really like this a lot. and it's a nice heavy weight. 118 pound is a nice, again, great for a card base or for just panels. And I also got it in soft gray, which I love. Like I said, I love soft gray cardstock. And to be able to watercolor on that, I mean, how beautiful would that be? I mean, it's like light gray watercolor paper. How awesome. The next item is, wow. Okay, it's Classic Crest Epic Black, just like the 130 pound you saw earlier, but this one is 165 pounds, and let me tell you, it is super duper thick. Very impressive. I die cut this off camera after I filmed this video, and it die cuts fine. I ran it through my Big Shot, back and forth, and I had no problem with that. So cutting this twice and stacking them together will give me enough dimension instead of having to use 4 of the other cardstock. Huge shout out to CutCardStock. I also want to say thank you to Alicia for having me, and I'll have a link below if you want to check them out. I highly recommend them, and I'm not just saying that, guys. Thank you again, CutCardStock. Have a great day.